Hey, good morning. This is Jerry over here at Wealth Dynamics, coming to you with a quick live video just on my way over to the Wealth Dynamics headquarters. And I wanted to share with you a stat, a number I saw in an article yesterday that I thought was really applicable to what we've been talking about, the last week or so. So Warren Buffett, right, the oracle of investing, the Warren Buffett, he was reported to have right now about 60% of his overall asset value in Berkshire Hathaway in cash. Okay, now what does this mean? It means that out of all of the real estate, stocks, cryptocurrency, bullion, all sorts of different things that he could be holding, right now 60% of the money he has is sitting in cash. Now this is important to realize. Warren Buffett is not a speculator. Okay, he was taught by Benjamin Graham. I'm currently rereading Graham's book, The Intelligent Investor. Warren does not speculate. Warren only invests in things that he knows are going to make money for him. And so if Warren is right now sitting in cash, what that means is Warren knows that he's going to have the opportunity really soon to start making some serious money. And this goes back to what I talked about the last probably 2 or 3 weeks about there being a recession coming up. So the reason why Warren Buffett is in cash is because he wants to have buying power. He realizes that in a recession, when the market crashes and assets go down in value, that's his opportune buying time. He's able to buy as many assets as he wants to because he's got, I think it's like 120 or 130 billion dollars in cash right now. Like just an insane amount of money. So he's going to look at the recession as a buying opportunity. When interviewed on the topic, Warren said that he was looking to buy businesses that he could hold on to and own forever. That's what he was saying. He's going to buy businesses that he can hold on to and own forever. And the reason he's gonna have those businesses on sale is because of the recession. The reason he hasn't bought yet is because he said right now the businesses he is interested in are overpriced. They're overpriced in the marketplace, meaning he's not going to spend that much money on a stock or on a company because he knows it's about to go on sale. So what can we learn from this as investors? What do we pick up from what Mr. Buffett is currently doing? I think the biggest thing to look at is him being in cash. This kind of reaffirms what I've been saying the last several months. Okay, we're going to be in a recession. The number one thing you can be doing right now is stacking up money. Okay, stacking up money, getting ready, making sure that you've got very low debt, buying inversely correlating assets, and then getting cheap debt as fast as you can so that you can buy even more. And this really kind of ties back to the sacred account. So most people aren't aware of this. Warren Buffett right now has a little over $300 million in life insurance cash values. Okay, a little over $300 million. Now, that might not seem like a big deal, but when you think about like a guy like Warren Buffett, he actually got wealthy by owning insurance companies. That's where he got a lot of his initial net worth and wealth is from owning insurance conglomerates and using those funds to build wealth and running the arbitrage spread on them. And so you can do the exact same thing with the sacred account. Right now, if you're thinking, man, I want to be in cash, I want to do what Warren Buffett's doing, that's a great thought. And also, cash is still a liability. Doesn't matter if you're in a recession. And I'm not saying Warren is wrong, but I'm saying, what if you can have cash like Warren is doing, but you can actually inflation adjust it, protect it from taxes, guarantee that it won't go down in value, and be able to earn double interest rates on it? What if you could do that? Because that's also what Warren Buffett is doing with that $300 million he has in life insurance right now. So the long story short on this is if we head for a recession, you want to be in cash. Warren Buffett right now is a living, breathing example of somebody that sees that and is currently preparing for it. And you probably should be too. Like if you're out there playing the false optimist because you don't want to confront the fact that we do live in a country where the economy is garbage, then you're going to have a rude awakening when the recession does happen. So set up your sacred account. That's thing number one. Thing number two, get as much cash into it as you possibly can. Okay, thing number three, wait. You don't need to go buy Bitcoin. You don't need to go buy, whatever else is attractive and interesting right now. You need to wait until the proven overvalued assets of today go on sale because of the recession. And when that happens, you take the cash value and you go buy those assets. Simple as that. It's not a complicated strategy. So I want to encourage you to do that, guys. If you would like to learn more about the sacred account really quick before I forget, I'm going to post a link for you here in the comments. So check this out. It's in the comments, sacredaccount.com. Again, that is sacredaccounts.com. That's going to give you pretty much all of the information you need to know about the Sacred account, as well as the ability to set up an account for yourself as well. So check that link out. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all soon.